Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see another capital letter which is H, right? So without wasting time, let us go to our code explanation. Here again, as per the tradition, we have drawn this capital letter again in form of a table. So I shall be numbering the values of rows and columns over here as usual. 5 and 6, right? And because it is a table format, so here we have make use of nested for loop with row value equal to 7, which is 0 to 6, and column value equal to 6, which is 0 to, okay, it is again a correction, you can change it to 5, no issues, the answer will always be correct, right? So change it to 5, 0 to 4. Now, it is a very simple program with 3 conditions. Here we have stars over here and here, right? So it is very easy. Wherever the value of column is equal to 0 and the value of column is equal to 4, irrespective of the rows, we need stars. So this is our first condition and this is our second condition, where the value of column is equal to 0 and the value of column is equal to 4, right? Now we shall be dealing with these 3 stars and this is very easy. You can see that the value of row is equal to 3. So the value of row over here is equal to 3, very simple. But we do not want to overwrite these 2 stars. I do not want this star to be overwritten and this star to be overwritten. Why? Because we have already taken care of these 2 stars in our first 2 conditions, where the column was 0 and 4, right? So for avoiding the overwrite situation, we have taken care of it by using an AND condition and specifying that the range of the columns should be 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That the range of the column should be 1, 2 and 3. It should not be 0 and 4. So it clearly says that the column value should be greater than 0 and it should be less than 4, right? And then what we have our print statements, and it says if the condition is true, draw the stars, else draw the space and then change the line. So that was very simple H letter with the help of Python. Now let us go to the Python screen and see whether we are getting the correct output or not.
Right, so this is our code for capital letter H, and clearly you can see that we need it in 2 columns, that is 0 and 4, and in the middle row, that is row number 3, but it is the condition which will be avoiding the overwriting of the stars, right, which we have already drawn in this condition, right? Now whenever this if condition is true, I need to print the stars, and if this if condition is false, what I need spaces, right? And this print statement inside the first for loop is for changing the lines, right? Because we want to change the rows, right? So I can also mention over here that this is for changing rows, right? So this is for /n, right? It is going to change the rows during the course of the program, right? So let us run and see whether I am getting the correct output or not. So if I run it, yes, we are getting the correct output. It is capital letter H made up of asterisks, right? So I hope that this video is pretty much clear to you all, and for more such patterns, alphabetical patterns, numeric patterns, which are again going to come in the upcoming videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.